I mean, not to. Steel Vengeance has a slow or a fast lift. Dude, you feel this wind already? It's not that good. It's weird to me how it's. I mean, at least we can see all the effects, but But yeah, they had one train in the transfer over there. Did you hear? I was saying yeet every time we did that. True, it is a lot of. Oh, that's pretty cool. That must be like the little trigger, the little thing that sticks up right there. Like, and then as soon as we push that, that's pretty cool. Yeah. It's centered. Oh yeah, true. You're right. Well, maybe it just feels. Yes. First ride of the day. This was really smart to do this instead of Steel Vengeance. It feels great. Honestly, it's so much hotter outside. Alright, we're not going to get whipped over, so this is nearly... Good start. Ugh. See, not as good as the back. Now we can just run and do the back though. Exhilarating. Okay, it's just out, they still haven't opened the switchbacks, so no worries. That was definitely like you could feel that on the airtime hill. Like we slugged a little bit. Oh well. All right. Oh yeah, let's just run back around, and then we'll do Steel Vengeance.
Want it, a smooth ride, here's a little surprise, baby, because I am not calibrated, they're a little overrated, everybody's looking at you. Wanna find the peace of mind that everyone is looking for, you might as well just find a different crew. And if you want it, a surprise, here's a little advice, baby, don't go looking for it, everyone will know you're boring, up for sure, it's snoring when they're looking at you.